As we all know by now, there is a lot of FUD in the crypto space. Due to that, Bitcoin price has fallen to around $42,000 in the last 24 hours and quickly rebounded to $44,000. Here's a quick video clip by Anthony spitting facts about Bitcoin. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button to keep updated.
We don't talk about ETF launches and who the authorized participants are. This is bureaucratic back office stuff. It's just how the trades function. So all of which is to say the degree of anticipation of this and how it's made its way into the market is extreme. How is it not just a anticlimax when it happens?
Wall Street is getting invited in anticipation of the greatest show on earth. Right? Bitcoin has been the best performing asset for the last 15 years, and Wall Street's basically been boxed out of it. They haven't had access to this asset. And so I think that's what you're seeing in that pent up excitement. Now, I do think over a long period of time, Bitcoin's price is going to continue to go up. We're going to have a persistent bid from all these ETFs.
It's easier to own Bitcoin directly than it was to own a barrel of oil or a gold bar or a futures contract when those things were introduced.
So what is the most valuable commodity in the world? In my opinion, it's computing power. Bitcoin is the strongest computer network in the world. And so when you're buying Bitcoin, you're buying an asset that is backed by the strongest commodity in the world. So when you start to think of it from that perspective, yes, it is internet native. Yes, it is for this kind of digital generation. But those people don't look at oil or gold or anything else as the most valuable commodity. They look at computing power, and that's why Bitcoin's so attractive to them.
The SEC is going to say, forget it. They're going to reject the ETF, the spot Bitcoin ETF proposal. I know you think that's a real long shot. What would happen if they actually did do that, if the SEC said no?
If they approve it, I think that there will be a lot of short-term volatility, and then we'll kind of get right back on track, whether it goes up or down after the approval. If they reject it, I think the same thing would happen. There would be a lot of kind of short-term volatility, and we'd get right back on track. China had over 60% of all mining inside of their borders. They completely banned mining and kicked them all out. 50% of the hash rate went offline. By the end of that year, May of 2021 is when it happened. By the end of 2021, mining hash rate was back to an all-time high. And so this thing is just resilient, it's anti-fragile, and it continues to just do what it was designed to do.